Netherlands tech startup company gives away laptops for shareholders. This is the good news that I'm going to talk. ILIPUTER is a startup tech company in the Netherlands and we are manufacturing computers. We are giving away the laptops for shareholders who are willing to invest the amount of money for purchasing the so-called laptop. Let's say the laptop is here. In fact, this is our laptop. As an investment. Simply saying, you invest, we give away the laptops from ILIPUTER to you. So you have free laptop and also you have the stocks of the company. This is what we are doing at ILIPUTER. Why do we do this? Because of mankind, because of love, because of humanity. We want to add value into our societies. Therefore, I've created ILIPUTER as an international computer manufacturing company to do what? To let customers, I mean you, to become the owner or shareholder of the ILIPUTER company simply by making a purchase. Let's say you want to buy a laptop, you need a laptop, okay? And its price is $1,000. If you come to ILIPUTER, you are going to invest $1,000 at ILIPUTER, receive shares based on $1,000, and also you're going to receive this product as a gift. It's for you. This is an invention. This is innovation. This is our customer ownership business model that we have developed, and we are pioneering for the first time in the history of mankind. We are pioneers in this business model. We want you to build wealth while you are purchasing your computer products. That's all. You don't need to lose money with the current traditional business model to go pay them. You lose money. You don't have that money anymore. Do you have? No. So with ILIPUTER, you have the product and you have the stocks. The stocks equals to money, right? So why not to join ILIPUTER? I'm announcing this great news worldwide. ILIPUTER is for all people all over the world. You have this privilege at this moment to contact ILIPUTER to buy your own best and favorite computers from ILIPUTER. And the money that you want to spend for purchasing those products, they are considered as an investment and you are going to receive stocks from ILIPUTER and plus the products. This is what we are doing and pioneering in the world. That's all. If you love this business model, if you want to receive the products, start now. Be an investor. Start investing at ILIPUTER. It's up to you. If you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the videos that may pop up here, and also put your comments. Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe it now. Be happy. Watch the other videos that are here. Till the next one.